Ezra. We're at Gumbo Limbo.
We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna see a lot of fish and the amazing shark, the bull shark. So let's see those babies. Let's go.
Which one is the sea turtle? This is the sea turtle. Julia, come over here. This is the sea turtle.
Well, they're all sea turtles.
This is a Gumbo Limbo tree. It's where Gumbo Limbo Nature Center got its name. You could tell because it's kind of red and the bark of the tree is kind of peely.
Oh, see that? That's 6 feet. Whoa! See, it has a little smile on his
What
belly.
was that went by just then?
A stingray.
A
Here
stingray.
I think the barracuda is coming around. Not that. The barracuda's, look, there he is. There it is.
Sustainable seafood that's been fished according to regulations. It's okay for you to ask. Conservation team
Ezra and Noel. I see a big giant turtle.
They are finding and documenting sea turtle activity. Those 5 nests are leatherback nests. And as you know, the leatherback is the largest sea turtle in the world. An interesting fact is that although sea turtles breathe air, they for air, they have to be obviously she cannot swim fast enough in order to protect herself.
Look at these little turtles. The scientists are looking at them to see how many boys and how many girls. Aren't they so cute? I really want to hold one of them. Look at these seahorses. They're horses in the sea, and this one wants that little leaf. We're at the Sea Turtle Rehabilitation Facility. They're really big words, but they basically just mean this is a place for turtles who are hurt or sick, and then they get better.
Looks like it has a growth on its kalili. Maybe it's going to have an operation here. Poor sick sea turtle. I hope you feel better. Is this your favorite part of Gumbo Limbo Nature Center?
I don't know yet.
Aww. That is a huge spider.
40 feet high, you can see over the trees.
Of course you can trade. Look at this big long one.
Calvin, what's happening here?
Oh, yeah. They're in the parking lot.
Ezra, we did a scavenger hunt, and look, we got shark teeth.
Focus on that. Wow.
Ezra and Noel, we are gonna go to the pathway and we're gonna go see. We're gonna go climb up a giant tower, and you're gonna go with us, and we're gonna show you the top of the big, giant, tall tower.
Let's go!
I'm gonna go up the stairway.
Hi, Laura. Hi, Calvin.
Hi.
Who's up there? Hey, everybody! Can you see Julia at the top of the tower? Let's go up there and get her. I think we're at the top. Julia.
Hi, Ezra. Hi, Noel.
Over here, you're taller than the trees, Ezra.
You can see him fine. Where's Fort Lauderdale?
Look, we're
Yeah, but
way
you can
up high. Stop floating there.
Let's see the ocean.
Sometimes
There it is.
And you're taller than a tree when you're up here.
Should I look down?
Yeah.
Oh, it's far down there. Oh my goodness.
We just finished going to Gumbo Limbo. It was really fun.
Yeah, and we had a lot of fun looking at spiders and stuff, and even getting shark tooth. Thanks for coming along.
And